Alright, so we're going to continue this vlog here. Back on the R3. I got my man Hunter here. Me and Hunter connected with the Senna 20S Evo. Shout out to them, even though we ain't getting paid for shouting them out, but oh yeah, they've been working big time for us. Communication is key out here. He's testing out one of our friends, I think it's a 2010 Zx-6R. I actually did a ride and review over the summertime of this bike. Right. Yeah, his first and second gear are like real close together. Yeah, you feeling it already. Yeah, that bike is very smooth. Just the movements on that bike, like, you know, upshifting, downshifting, it's really smooth. I really like that bike, actually. It's one of the smoothest 600s that I've probably ridden all season. I'll pass right here. Okay, we can do that. But yeah, the brakes on that bike are good. That from what I can remember. You can flat foot on that bike too. After, let's go. Yeah, I'm in second now. Yeah, especially on your bike. As soon as you put it in first, you gotta, like, you know, be ready to switch into second, because the engine braking in first gear on this R3 is very intense. Very intense. Now, since he has a sprocket change on that bike, I think he has 2 down and 1 up, or 1 up and 2 down, I can't remember, but first and second gear are close together. Yep. You're about to pass it, but yeah, slow down. It's right here. Alright, you can get over. Do a swap whenever you finish. A swap whenever you're ready. I don't want to cut into the, because I know you want to ride that thing, and you know, like 10 minutes really ain't enough really to get a feel for a bike too much. So yeah, I think it is. That's 11 pounds. Yeah, it gotta be. That tire had 11 pounds in it, so I'm sure now it's gonna ride totally different. He said it felt a little slow. 11 pounds is like, that's nothing. Well, with these kind of tires, they're not gonna look like, you know, deflated to the looks of it. Oh. It was, oh, alright, well that was meant to be. Sorry bro, we lost your air cap, but we got another one right there for you. And we went ahead, Hunter and put some air in your tire. We out here taking care of you, we're looking out. Alright, so we swapped bikes. We got Hunter back on his bike. I'm going to be riding the Zx-6R. I rode this bike before, but we decided to swap. And gonna give it a go here. Off the bat, the obvious is this bike feels totally different than the R3. The R3 definitely feels way more comfortable. Like I said, I haven't rode in a month, so riding hunched over like this is going to be a change. And jumping from the R3 to a 600cc bike is going to be a big change as well. Now the throttle, totally different. Now, like I said before in my previous video when I rode this bike, this was one of the most comfortablest, if that's a word, the most comfortable 600cc that I've rode thus far, next to my bike. The craziest part is I was like, I feel kind of light, because I'm used to having that book bag on me all the time. Yeah. I miss it, man. I miss it. I really miss it. Especially having, I mean, some people will say 600cc's is not, you know, fast, but I mean, it's compared just getting off of that to getting on this here. This is totally different. Totally different. Instant power. That's second gear, man. That second gear on this bike is crazy. I miss it so much, man. I can't even begin to express how much I miss this. But the riding position, like I said before, is night and day. I think this year I'm gonna try to get on some naked bikes, some more upright seating bikes. Like I said, I don't lean much, but this just feels right at home. Wow. real crispy. Downshifting is smooth. Yeah, I don't know what else to even say. I definitely miss being on a 600, and hopefully this winter doesn't last as long as it did last year. Yep. These Ninjas are smooth. Straight. He got his gas lights on. Yeah. Yeah, there's one at the top of this hill. But yeah, it was a good time. I mean, it's kind of short, but you know, that first and second gear, it's like the same gear. Yeah, I know, make this right. This thing feels so good. I know I keep saying it, but yeah, my bike does not respond like this bike does. And we're back to reality for me. This is Zx-6R part 2, and yeah, still one of the smoothest 600s that I've been on, still. But yeah, shout out to my man Zai. You can follow him on Instagram at Zx-6R. I'll link his info in the description down below. Give him a follow. Shout out to him for letting us take his bike out for a little bit. But go ahead, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, stay up to date, check out my videos, and stay tuned because I got a whole lot more content that I'm going to be putting out. Even though riding season's over, more content coming. Stay tuned.